folks, it's me, Asher, and today today I have 3 words for Jesse that I will be sharing with you. If you were watching this, then that means you probably have watched Jesse's video entitled, "Am I Leaving YouTube?" or something like that. But this is just a response to that video. So, here's what I have to say about that, and here are the 3 words. Don't quit YouTube. I don't know if it's proper now. It comes up as 1 word on autocorrect when I type it in, I don't know. But, so just to Jesse, don't quit YouTube, because if you quit YouTube, like no offense, but the reasons that you gave aren't really strong enough for wanting to quit YouTube, because if you the main reason he said was the copyright, but so oh yeah, so basically, sorry for that, but basically, so the main reason he said was that he was copyright stricken, for loop dub, I don't know what that, he said it was a loop, sorry for that, I had to, oh, sorry, my brother was making noise. Alright, so it was like a loop dub or something that he said, I don't know what that is. I imagine it's some sort of lip-syncing thing that's like overdubbed. Okay, because like my guess is it's lip-syncing that's overdubbed. No, lip-syncing that's on a loop, because it's because like dub meaning like overdubbed, like it's a video of you going like that. That's my horrible lip syncing impression with that's overdubbed with music and loop, because I have no idea what this is, but this is just my guess in loop, because I'm guessing that it plays on a loop or something, I don't know, in infinite loop. But I think he said it, I don't know how long his video was because I didn't see it, but anyway, so he said that it got taken down within 5 minutes. Here, let me just, I'll draw you a diagram of what I think of loop dub means. Let's see. So, that's not a pencil. Here we go, I got a pencil. So, loop. Hold on. I'll just pause the video while I'm doing it. Alright, so here's my paper analysis of what I think the word loop dub means. So here, that's backwards. Hold on. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it. Let me just check it over there. Okay, it might be backwards. I think it is backwards. Let me just turn the phone upside down. Does that work? Okay, now it's upside down, but it's, so if you can read upside down, you're in luck. So it says what I think loop dub means, a short analysis of the phrase loop dub. So, dub is overdub, get it? Like, because it's like the over sign, the visor is like over, it's like it's a fraction, never mind. And that means to play sound or some other crap over images, videos, etc. That's just my definition of it. And loop is loop, and it's to loop something, and then it's the infinity sign, and then those two things make loop dub. All right. Alright, anyway, so, I don't know what a loop dub is. Let's just, let me look up what that is online. Loop dub. Okay, I have no idea what it is, but anyway, so his video got stricken down, smitten by the YouTube gods, because, because it was, I think it was a Hamilton song, he said, but, I just want to let him know that Hamilton is very, well, I don't know, what would you call it? It's thesaurus.com to the rescue. Let's go with exclusive. Hamilton is very exclusive because it is, well, it's like, it's Hamilton, but, so, like, he said his thing got, taken down within 5 minutes, but that happens to a lot of things with Hamilton music in it, so, like, he said that didn't happen when he did, like, a loop dub of It's Raining Tacos, but that's not, like, that's not Hamilton. Hamilton is Hamilton, so, I don't know, but, so yeah, that's my main reason why that is an invalid reason to quit YouTube. Second reason is that, well, this one was the more minor reason that he said, which was, we don't really get a lot of views, but, well, I mean, like, that you can't let that discourage you, because if you don't get a lot of views, I mean, that's why I quit YouTube. I didn't quit YouTube because I have this thing. I just quit my own channel because, like, I mean, my latest videos stopped getting views, plus I couldn't figure out how to install the microphone software on my new computer, so, and then I was like, yeah, I don't feel like making videos anymore, so, that's the reason I quit mine, because I just didn't feel like it anymore, but, like, Jesse makes some pretty good videos, and I like making the videos with him, because I think we have some good stuff, so, and our views are slowly increasing, I mean, like, but the views shouldn't really matter, it should really just be, I mean, it should matter, because it does matter, of course, but that's not really, you want to have, like, I would rather have a good video with not that many views than a horrible video with, like, 8,000 views. No, I wouldn't. Okay, but, if you have a well-made video, then you can be proud of that, but if you have, let's say you had a bad video with no views, you wouldn't get the satisfaction of, hey, I made a great video. You would only have the satisfaction of, hey, wow, a bunch of people know that I make horrible content. So I think it would be better if you, I think that just it would just be better if you made a good video rather than a video with a lot of views. And he said, like, we really only post videos that we put a lot of work into, so, yeah, plus, like, here we go, let's pull that up real quick. Misspelled that. There we go. Alright, here we go, so, look, here we go. Here we go, so let's just pull that up. Alright, so, open, why, okay, YouTube isn't, there we go, so, see, look at this. Oh, wow, I have a lot of views, but, say like 9 months ago, and I have 3 views on that. And I have this weird theremin playing slug cat. That is 3 views. This is 1 view. This has 5 views. There we go. This has 1 view, but that was me checking if it had any views. But like, I get happy when I get 8 views, because that's great for me. But let's pull up nut jobs. Nut jobs for life. Let's pull that up. Let's go videos. Yeah, see, we got this one, so let's just get on there. See, like, so this has 42 views, so that's a lot. So this has 10 views. I mean, so the views shouldn't be an issue. Plus, if the thing is, like, it's kind of not really a paradox, but if you leave YouTube, then you won't get any views. So, you know, like, that's part of the thing. Because if people have taken the time to watch a 7-minute video about making ramen and throwing chicken in the toilet, or a 3-minute long segment of a 6-minute video about finding Azerbaijan on a map, then I think that's pretty good. So the people that have taken the time to do that have obviously liked our stuff. Otherwise, they wouldn't watch for that long. They would just be like, this is 7 minutes. No, I'm doing that. I'm not watching this. That's what I would do. But unless it was a good video, and that's my point, is we make, or at least I think that the stuff that we make is pretty good. So, and I don't think that we should stop doing that. Here, let me do that. There we go. I don't think that we should stop doing that. So having this minuscule amount of views is better than leaving YouTube and having no views whatsoever. Plus, like it's fun to make the videos, and like I like being a part of this channel. So in my opinion, I think that Jesse shouldn't quit YouTube, but ultimately it's his decision, because, like, you know, he owns the channel. I mean, I could delete it at any time if I wanted to, because I have access to the channel too, but I don't want to get rid of the channel, because I enjoy being a part of it. So ultimately it's his decision, but I'm just trying, this is just a video to explain to Jesse why he should not delete the channel. So Jesse, don't delete the channel, and don't quit YouTube. Thank you for watching, and yeah, remember to just thank you for watching. And if you like this, then, well, I doubt you like this, but if you like this, then subscribe, or you can watch the Cringe Extraordinaire 3, which is right. I forgot you can't do you can't do the card thing on a phone, which is what I'm recording this on. So just find the Cringe Extraordinaire 3 or any other quality videos. I highly recommend Cringe Extraordinaire 3, or let's see what happens when Asher falls asleep with a guitar in his hand, or Outsiders anti-bullying infomercial. I think those ones are really good. Or the pilot test, or the fast burn one. Those, I'm just naming my favorite videos from this channel that we made. So just thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the channel, and be sure to, if you know him personally, then be sure to discourage Jesse from quitting YouTube. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.